How to book Grab in advance in the Philippines. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book Grab in advance in the Philippines. First, grab your mobile phone and open the Grab application. Once you're in the app, look for the car option and give it a tap. Now, it's time to set your location. Make sure to input the correct pickup point so that your driver knows where to find you. After setting your location, take a moment to carefully read the details that are displayed on your screen. This will ensure that you have all the necessary information for your booking. Once you've reviewed the details, it's time to specify the date and time for your desired ride. Enter these details accurately to schedule your Grab in advance. Next, you'll want to select the Just Grab option. This will ensure that you get a regular Grabcar for your ride. After choosing Just Grab, tap on the Schedule Just Grab button to confirm your booking. This lets the system know that you want to schedule your ride in advance. Once your ride is successfully scheduled, you can sit back and relax. When the time for your scheduled ride approaches, Grab will send you the driver's details, so you know who to expect. And that's it. You're all set to book a Grab in advance in the Philippines. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.